Here's how to export 10,000 rows of survey response data from Lucky Orange. We're excited to share that you can now export 10,000 rows of survey and announcement response data from Lucky Orange. This is a big step up from the previous limit of 1,000 rows, giving you much more opportunity to find insights and patterns inside the response data. Here's how to do it. Inside Lucky Orange, you'll navigate to Communicate, then Surveys or Announcements, View Results, and Visitors. And then we'll apply filters like Survey Responded and Feedback Given. And then we'll download our data by selecting Export CSV. From here, I recommend you head over to your favorite LLM, be it ChatGPT or otherwise, and upload your file. What we're doing here is using the power of an LLM to analyze our survey responses and find patterns, because we know that when we find patterns in survey responses, that means that's the stuff that our users and our visitors care about most. We can say something like, summarize the most common issues raised, group them into key themes, and identify overall sentiment, positive, negative, or neutral, and deliver it to me in an executive summary. So go set up a survey, collect some responses, hit that export button, and see what your users have to say.